The Dritz Styling Design Ruler combines curves, a straight edge, and a measuring grid all in one. It's used for pattern and garment alterations, or any time a curved or straight edge is needed. This versatile shape mirrors common pattern design lines. For example, the long gradual curve corresponds to the shape found along the hip line, the waistline, and contoured sides. The short, tight curve corresponds to the shape you'll find around armholes, curved necklines, and sleeve caps. The straight edge corresponds to design lines along the shoulder, at bust darts, and at lines where length can be increased or decreased. The ruler is made of durable acrylic, providing crystal clear visibility with red markings that are easy to distinguish from pattern lines. The 1-inch markings along the curved edge are calibrated to accurately measure the length of curved openings. The 1-inch markings along the straight edge include a convenient 1/8-inch grid for precision. The ruler also features narrow slots for guiding a tracing wheel when marking straight lines. Watch how to use the features of the Dritz Styling Design Ruler to make basic pattern alterations easy and accurate.